Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the intriguing book titled, How to Make Anyone Fall in Love with You. This book offers valuable insights into the dynamics of relationships and provides practical tips on building connections and fostering love. So, let's delve into the key chapters of How to Make Anyone Fall in Love with You. Chapter 1, The Power of Attraction, discusses the importance of attraction and its role in sparking initial interest. Explores the different elements that contribute to attractiveness, including physical appearance, confidence, and charisma. Provides tips on enhancing your own attractiveness and creating a positive first impression. Chapter 2, Building Rapport. Explores the art of building rapport and establishing a connection with someone. Discusses effective communication techniques, active listening, and understanding nonverbal cues. Provides insights on finding common ground, showing genuine interest, and creating a comfortable environment. Chapter 3, Creating Chemistry. Explores the concept of chemistry and the factors that contribute to it. Discusses the role of shared values, beliefs, and interests in creating a strong bond. Provides tips on fostering chemistry through meaningful conversations, shared experiences, and emotional connection. Chapter 4, Emotional Intelligence. Discusses the significance of emotional intelligence in building relationships. Explores self-awareness, empathy, and understanding emotions in oneself and others. Provides insights on managing emotions effectively and creating an emotionally supportive environment. Chapter 5, Authenticity and Vulnerability. Emphasizes the importance of authenticity in fostering love and connection. Discusses the value of vulnerability and opening up emotionally. Provides tips on expressing genuine emotions and being true to oneself in relationships. Chapter 6, Creating a Positive Image. Explores the impact of self-image on attracting and maintaining love. Discusses the importance of self-confidence, self-care, and self-respect. Provides insights on presenting oneself in a positive light and cultivating a healthy self-image. Chapter 7, Effective Communication. Explores the role of communication in building and sustaining love. Discusses the importance of clear and honest communication, both verbal and nonverbal. Provides tips on expressing feelings, resolving conflicts, and maintaining healthy communication patterns. Chapter 8, Building Trust. Discusses the essential role of trust in creating a strong foundation for love. Explores the factors that contribute to trust, such as reliability, honesty, and integrity. Provides insights on building trust over time through consistent actions and open communication. Chapter 9, Nurturing the Relationship. Explores the importance of nurturing and growing the relationship. Discusses the value of shared experiences, support, and quality time together. Provides tips on maintaining romance, fostering intimacy, and continuing to invest in the relationship. Chapter 10, Long-Term Love. Explores the dynamics of long-term love and sustaining a lasting relationship. Discusses the importance of commitment, loyalty, and mutual growth. Provides insights on overcoming challenges, maintaining passion, and nurturing love over time. Conclusion. That wraps up our deep dive into the chapters of How to Make Anyone Fall in Love with You. This book offers valuable guidance on building connections, fostering love, and nurturing relationships. Remember, love is a complex and individual experience, and these tips can serve as a helpful guide but may not guarantee the desired outcome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.